Jeff Realty One Group with another edition of Inspirada TV.
Yes, we are at 3575 Sorridere. We think we're not completely positive.
It's a townhome.
It's a KB townhome. And the great thing is you are right across from all of this green space. So a little playground over there, picnic bench, and then all of this, which is pretty amazing. So this is one of the interior units, 13, what's the square footage?
It is 1544.
1544.
Yeah.
So a KB build. Oh, and I love how they have the door here.
Yeah.
Out.
So you can go out that way or you can go out this way.
Yeah, now, and we've seen some other people enclose this with some really cool wrought iron. There was a unit over on Adige that was right across the street from a home that was sold there. And that was really amazing. I like this floor plan. We filmed this over also on Jen and Ricky Street.
Yeah, yeah.
It had blue cabinets.
Yes. There was an open house.
Yes.
Look at me remembering something.
So they've spent a fortune on upgrades.
Yes. Wow. Look at this kitchen.
Oof. This looks amazing. Backsplash.
Wow,
yeah.
This is beautiful.
White shaker cabinets, stainless steel.
Yeah.
Fridge stay.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. Great.
Look at there.
Yeah.
You need to put some garbage in, it's right here. I love that because you don't have to find a spot for your garbage can.
Great countertops.
Some pull-outs on the bottom. There. Wow, this is awesome.
This really is.
This is a great townhome, especially like for a first-time home buyer. I mean, this would be a great starter home.
The price
is $419.
$419.
Yeah.
So if you are a first-time home buyer, Leanne and I wrote a book called Roadmap to Your First Home. It's available on Amazon, but it's also available if you go to the website on screen, roadmap.vegas, and we would send it to you for free right to your house. Where's this? Oh, that's the pantry.
That's the pantry.
I'm sorry, I was thinking that was the garage door.
Built-ins.
So, watch your step. So, 2-car garage.
Oversized. I love this.
So you have a nook for the garbage cans, water softener, tankless water heater. Then you also get all of this additional storage out here.
Without it being on the side where you're trying to pull in with your car. Yeah, that's awesome.
So the washer, dryer, fridge stay?
Yes.
Wow, really, and see, really nice appliances, Whirlpool, the zebra blinds.
They had shelving put in here.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, nice.
So, and I really like this white upgraded wrought iron staircase.
Yeah.
But, you know, and then you have your half bath tucked away over there.
Super nice.
And the upgraded baseboards, Smurf tube for the TV, 9-foot ceilings down.
And these blinds are always awesome.
I do. I'm such a fan of these.
Yeah. And what are they called? Zebra blinds?
Zebra, yeah.
Yeah.
And they may be even, I wonder if they're on remotes.
Oh, I don't know. Let's not mess with them.
No. And then you also have the view out the window of the green space. So this is really a
terrific.
Cute place.
Yeah, for
so
sure.
As always, we ask that you please like and subscribe to our channel. Our YouTube channel has well over 700 videos up on it now. And we try to bring these Inspirada TV episodes to you every day. Cool little nook.
Yeah. Put a little desk in there or something.
It looks like the carpet needs a little stretching. But
yeah, it does. Is this
be pretty
primary?
easy. I think there's going to be almost like dual primaries
in
this floor plan.
I love recessed lighting in the bedroom.
So nice built-ins.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Some shelves here.
That's terrific. I like that.
How long's this been on the market? When did it come on?
August 5th.
Okay.
Wow. Yeah, this is beautiful.
So 3/4 shower,
Yeah.
dual sinks. I like those faucets, that mirror.
Yeah, everything looks good.
You know what?
Nice
I'm
and
wrong.
fresh
I'm
and
wrong.
new.
That is the
That
primary.
is the primary.
Yep.
Huh. Imagine that.
Well, I wasn't as right as I could have been.
Exactly.
Okay. And again, the view.
So you are getting, 3 bedrooms, a full bath, a 3/4 bath, and a half bath. So that's awesome.
Walk-in closet. I like the black hardware. There is not a thing to do in this house, but maybe just stretch this carpet. But again, easy fix. Just pull it to that wall.
This was built in 2022. You want to do it in here?
Yep. Oh, deep tub.
Deep.
Thoughts with Jack Andy. Anyhow, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, homesininspirada.com. Our website has every listing from every brokerage. Her and I live out here. If you'd like to see this, it's super easy. And you know what? I don't think we mentioned that it was close to Atessa Park.
We didn't.
We didn't.
You're right.
So we always try to, because Inspirada has 7 now parks, and Atessa has 2 dog parks, the swimming pool, the whole 9 yards. But anyhow, we appreciate you watching. Have a good one.